right, everybody, wanted to start off here with how much rain we've seen so far in the last 24 hours. Now, look at Eastern Kentucky, but also remember, we had rain in that part of the state for most of the day yesterday. But look at these totals, 2.2 so far. Hazard, 2.2 in Harlan, over an inch and a half in Jackson, nearing an inch in Mount Sterling, over an inch in McKee, over an inch as well in Williamsburg. Now, obviously, the gauge is not working in Moorhead because we've clearly picked up rain over there. Looking at 1.13 in Pikeville, Lexington, 0.6 of an inch, 0.7 over in Danville. Again, still raining though. Now, it is dry at the moment down across portions of southeast Kentucky. What's happening here is we've kind of, the Helene to the southeast kind of wrapped in a little bit of dry air coming out of Virginia, parts of West Virginia into southeast Kentucky. So it may have tapered off here for now. But again, if I widen out the view, you can see most of us are still dealing with rain. And we'll widen out the view here to show you where Helene is at the moment. Made landfall late last night down in the Big Bend of Florida. This Peyton was mentioned earlier. Here's where it's at now. It's a tropical storm. Made landfall as a Category 4, but still a tropical storm up here in northeast Georgia. Forecast to gradually start making the turn, okay, to the northwest. The longer it goes more northerly, this round of heavier rain in North Carolina, South Carolina, would go more north instead of northwest. We'll see if that turn still happens because some guidance suggests that stays more east. I still think we're going to get rain for sure, though. All right, it's raining right now everywhere on our home view perspectives. That is Somerset, Richmond, Paris, and also in Lexington. It's breezy right now, but the strongest winds are yet to come. We're at 70 in the city, 70 over the state capitol and also in Somerset, upper 60s elsewhere. Winds gusting right now at the Bluegrass Airport almost at 40. 40-mile-per-hour gusts in McKee, 35 in Jackson. Keep in mind, that's the beginning. There's a high wind warning that goes into effect at 10 a.m. and runs through 8 p.m. tonight, pretty much for our entire coverage area. Watch the winds go up. Look at 10 a.m. 45 to 50 mile per hour gusts going 50 to 60 from around 11 all the way through potentially even 4, 5 o'clock this evening. But by the time we get toward late evening, 7, 8 o'clock, the winds should start dying down a bit. So again, the remnant low starts turning northwest. You see how the heaviest rain moves north. But look, by 5, 6 o'clock, I think we are really decreasing the rain chances by that point. Then the low pressure just kind of meanders to the west of us over the weekend, and that keeps weekend showers around. So how much additional rain could we see today through the weekend? I think 1 to maybe as much as 3 more inches are possible, okay? Some areas on the low end, some areas could get on the high end. This is not taking into account what we've already seen. Again, this is how much more we could see. Forecast for the area today, upper 60s, low 70s, heavy rain, strong winds. The strongest winds are coming in late morning through at least mid-afternoon. So 10 a.m. all the way through 3, 4 o'clock, that window, strongest winds. That's also likely the window of the heaviest rain, about 10 to 3. All right, tonight, showers, scattered, windy, low and mid 60s. 7-day forecast. What you'll see here is we have improvements in the next week, but we've got a lot of rain to still get through. Today is the wettest. Tomorrow will be more showery. Yes, showers could be pretty continuous at times, but likely not as heavy as today. Sunday, showers getting lighter, but still some scattered showers off and on. Look at those highs. Maybe not out of the mid 60s in spots. Saturday and Sunday. That's kind of cool, especially with the breeze. We go into Monday, a few lingering showers, maybe a thunderstorm. Then a front moves through late Tuesday, drops temperatures to near 70 by Wednesday. Look at overnight lows. Yeah, lower humidity moving in and dropping us, Krista, into the 50s. We'll be ready for some dry weather then, but you know what? This system is really good, Krista, because it will really help with our drought.